Cause I'm so used to foreign, she so used to boring. Pull up in these Porsches like I'm so used to horses. I'm so used to foreign, she so used to boring. I ain't showing fake love, that's how you get it started.
Alright, so what it do, YouTube? You know, I just woke up. It's mad early, but I had to wake up and give y'all a resort tour. I know y'all like that. I know y'all curious of what we got on Riu Latino. You can see it in the background. So I'm at the front of the resort, and I'm about to show y'all what this resort got to offer, just in case you're trying to go here, trying to travel here. It was definitely a valid resort, so I'm about to put y'all on and show y'all what they got to offer. So come with me, and I'm gonna take y'all around the resort. Resort tour with Wavy Ryan. Let's get it.
Another hoe, I got bad habits, baby, I'm a bad at it. If I was you and you was me, you would be mad at it. Just inside my back habit, I feel like a bad magic. Like everything back comes to me, I can't be mad at it.
Alright, so you see here, you know, this is where you pull in. First pull into the resort. I guess you could call it the front of the resort. You walk in here and lobby over here. This is where you come in, check out on your first day, or where you come in and leave your luggage on the last day. But yeah, this is the front of the resort.
Yeah, let's go. I'm about to savage, just how I really go. Yeah, hit one time and then I go. Yeah, scoring like down the road. I've been really on the road.
Alright, so you see that I just walked past the lobby. Like I said, that's where you go to check in. And then our first stop, we got Milan. I think this is an Italian spot. We went here. It was kind of mid, I'm not gonna lie. I wasn't the big fan of it. Got some steak, pretty mid, man. But yeah, first, right when you walk in, right past the lobby, that's where you got Milan. All right, so for the next thing, you know, we got this like sushi, a little like Japanese spot. This shit was fire. This shit was good. If you're here, this is a must do. This was lit. Food was really good there. That was probably the best spot with the best food. Hey man, it was really good. It was really good. Now we got a next restaurant. Apparently this one was even better. I didn't get to try this one, unfortunately. You know, I'm seeing creamy lobster rice. I'm mad I didn't get to try that, but I don't even know how to say that. But this is the next restaurant on the resort. I'm not sure how many there is in total, but right now, yeah, you guys just saw 3 plus the buffet that we're about to get to right now. You see here, just past that other Milan spot, is right here, the buffet. You guys can see inside. Ate here a couple times. Pretty fire. Yeah. What I'm gonna say about the buffet though is it gets really repetitive. Like you're eating food, and I swear they do got very similar things for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. So you know you're gonna be crying, but gotta get used to it. It's only 7 days, you know. And this is the main like walkway. Leads you to everything. Pretty valid, but it does get slippy when it rains. Sway, if you're watching this, you're crying. But yeah, like I said, buffet back there. That's where the buffet is. Right where that like Milan spot is. Alright, so right now I'm about to show you all the pools. I'm not even gonna introduce them. I don't even think they have a name. But we got this pool right here. Pretty valid in size, you know, can fit enough people. And then we got 4 different water slides just over there. And then if you keep walking down, you will get to the beach. But for this sake, we gonna make a left and we gonna show y'all the other pools. Y'all haven't seen anything or you're missing something, you have any questions, you probably got it in my other videos. I've been here for 7 days, I've done it all. Go ahead and check those out. A next pool over there, so that's 2 pools so far. 2 pools, beach volleyball.
Oh my God, look at that big pond.
A next pool, but this is the big pool.
Hey, why are you shaking?
But yeah, like I said, if you walk past that pool where bro just fell in the water, you got the beach. I'm about to show y'all. It's a nice beach. Raph doesn't even know what this looks like. I've been here a couple times. It was very nice. About to show y'all. I'm really getting sand in my shoes for this video. I'm crying, but let's go ahead and show y'all. So we're about to make it to the beach right now. They got some nice palm trees, got some nice scenic views. I think way down there you can see like a little tent, the top of the tent. That's where you book the excursions. Like if you want to do like jet skiing, if you want to do like speedboat, parasailing, anything like that, that's where you book it, yo. But yeah, pre this beach.
Fucking these bitches with my chains on. Doing this shit like I was made for it. Yeah, they had to give me, but I ain't going.
Yo, oh, it's freezing. I'm crying. Not gonna lie, in the morning it is mad refreshing though, but the waves are always so damn big. This beach goes all the way down. You can literally walk it for miles, yo. So if you're a sunset walking the beach kind of guy, that'd definitely be for you. You'd be enjoying that. I'm not gonna lie, this is my last day on the resort, but I would fully recommend this resort. We had a great time, man. Partying, from beach to scenic views to vibes to food. Food was kind of mid, but it was a good time. We enjoyed it. All my friends enjoyed it. Great time. We really did it all, I'm not gonna lie. I don't think there was much more we could have done without like doing all the excursions and stuff like that. We did 2 excursions. We kind of did like the 2 best ones, Coco Bongo and Explore. Let me know if I should have done something different. Let me know in the comment section what other excursions are good to do in Mexico. And like I said, over there you can run beach volleyball. We did that a few times, got some good runs in. And we got another little bar over here and multiple bars around the resort. I think there's like 5 different ones. Crazy. And then we got 2 more pools over here. One for the volleyball and one for just like regular with a bar.
Where are you from? Which country are you representing? Okay. Please, more than 1 second.
Okay, pre this, about to be rude.
One, two, three, let's go! Okay, nothing is fixed. Okay.
30. One thing about the resort that I fuck with, they always got like these little shows, always little like try to keep you entertained kind of thing. Pretty valid if I'm being honest, you know, always something to do. And then over there, that's where at night they have like shows. You can do like, they'll bring different people up on stage and stuff like that. And then also during the day when there's not shows, you go there to book your excursions off the resort, like a Coco Bongo, like an Explore. And then right there, that's where you go to book your excursions off the resort. Coco Bongo, Explore, that's where you'd go. Because obviously during the day, they don't got no shows and they're not keeping us entertained over there. So during the day, you go there to book your excursions. During the night, you watch a show. Pretty valid if I'm being honest. Pretty the resort though. It's a nice view. I think they got like 1, 2, 3, 4. They got like 5 different floors. The bottom floors have a pool. You know, if you guys are trying to upgrade for that, definitely, you know, let them know. And I'm sure they could deal with you there. Yeah. And then right here, you know, we have the gym. We went to the gym in one of my other videos. It was kind of mid. It was okay. It was just like a standard gym, nothing too crazy. Ramya said the weights weren't, you know, too heavy, but it's good for starters. And then right here we got the sports bar. Played pool here the other day. Pretty valid. They got the NBA game, you know, Boston versus Mavericks, even though it was yesterday and Boston already won. But you can see a pool they got, and you can go here to get like food during the night. This is 24/7. They got food, drinks, but it's microwavable food. I'm just letting you know it is pretty sad. If you want good eats, you gotta go to like a buffet or a restaurant, because you know that place is pretty sad for food. That's kind of just like a last minute, last resort, nothing's open kind of thing. So yeah, that's when you go there. And then we got sunglasses here. Pretty nice, pretty nice. If you guys forget something, always nice to get your sunglasses, you know, when you want the sun to be getting in your eyes. Then we got a little gift shop right here. Gift shop was valid, I'm not gonna lie. We got I think it's called Pier 27. They got a little stuff, not too overpriced, but you know, prices aren't the greatest, but hey man, you gotta work what you can do. And then right here at 11 p.m. at night, this is where Club Pasha opens. If you guys have been watching my other videos, you've seen we went to Club Pasha a couple times. It's okay for the first couple times, and then it gets very repetitive. They just keep playing the same songs over and over again. I swear I heard Sexy Red like a million times this trip, but and now we're back at the lobby. We're back at the lobby. We literally did like a full 360 of the resort. The only thing we did not get, oh my gosh, men are breaking their legs. But yeah, the only thing, it gets slippy. That's one thing too. If you guys are walking down these like, you know, paths that they got, it gets slippy. Man, if it starts to rain or you're in Yeezy slides, you don't want to end up like Swaby. It gets very slippy. Swaby ended up falling, you know, pray for Swaby in the chat. Let him know, you know, your wishes are in his best regards. But yeah, we're walking down this path. Nice little palm tree vibes. Pretty nice, pretty nice. And then we're gonna bust our right here. And we're gonna end back at all the restaurants. We're back here. You know, you got the buffet, like I said. And then all these restaurants, Milan, the Japanese spot, and then the spot I didn't get to try, unfortunately. I'm big crying. But yeah, I think, is this the way to my room? Low-key, nah. Next one. See, I almost got bunked. If you don't know where your room is, there's 5 floors, you might just miss it. So much space to walk around. And this is Swaby and Romeo's room. And then this is our room. Let's see if Raph's up.
Been a while, been a minute. Better off just keeping on your mind and your business. Half these niggas putting up